How to draft a post on Instagram. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily draft a post on your Instagram. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Instagram app, and then once you're on your Instagram, tap on this plus in the top right side here, and then from here select the video or photo you want to draft. So for example, I'm gonna select this video, and then after selecting, tap here next on the top right side, and then again tap on next in the bottom right side, and then here you will see the option to save drafts in the bottom left side. So you have to tap on save draft, and here it says draft saved, and here is the save draft. So if I tap on drafts, I will see here that post. And so this is how you can draft a post on Instagram. Thanks for watching.